my name's Nikki Deem. I'm the editorial director of the Zoe Report, and today I'm going to show you a few fresh, creative ways to layer that you might not have thought of. This is the Extra 5. I love this look because it's a great way to wear a summery floral dress year-round. Start with a midi dress, top it with a chunky knit, add a hoodie. I love a textured hoodie like this Rachel Zoe Collection one, and then finish the entire look with a very oversized military jacket so that your arms aren't stiff. This may seem like a lot of layers, it is, but it works really well together as long as you keep everything in the same color palette. So many people think that you should leave your denim jacket with your summer wardrobe. It's actually an excellent layering piece when you wear it under a menswear coat. It's a really good neutral pop of color and it keeps you warm. Most people think of slip dresses for evening, but you can actually wear them during the day by simply layering them over a printed knit. This is a really great pairing because the pieces have the same color palette. Make sure you stay warm by wearing a pair of over-the-knee suede boots. One great combo is layering a button-down shirt over a slim-fitting turtleneck. This looks great paired with anything from a midi skirt to wide leg pants to jeans. Finish the whole look with a punchy blazer like this printed plaid version and pumps. I love a mini dress year-round. Sometimes it's just too cold to pull it off. In those instances, wear it over a pair of slim-fitting jeans. Keep the color palette similar so that you don't truncate your silhouette, and add a heel to elongate your leg, because otherwise you look crazy. Break up the all black color palette with a light crossbody bag and top the entire look with a statement coat. So that's it. I hope some of these ideas inspire you the next time you have to layer for the cold.